Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is going to be video number 1 of 20 short videos that are going to teach you about different parts of speech. I'm going to talk about verbs, nouns, adjectives, adverbs, prepositions, what is a sentence, how to form a sentence, speaking confidently, fluency, being understood, and how to understand. Short videos, they will all be in one playlist. So click the playlist and go through the videos. I plan to make a video or post a video every couple of days. So without further ado, let's begin with video number 1. What is a verb? If you remove verbs from English, communication dies. I mean, seriously. Verbs are the engine of every sentence. So what exactly is a verb? A verb is an action or a state. Usually verbs show what someone does. For example, eat, sleep, run, study, speak. Easy? Not really. But English also has state verbs. These describe conditions, feelings, or situations. For example, be, like, know, understand, need. Now look at this sentence. She runs every morning, which is the verb. Runs, well done, because that is the action, to run. Another example, they are happy. The verb is are from the verb to be. I will cover the verb to be in a short video in a couple of days. So even though nobody is doing an action, the verb still connects the sentence. Every complete English sentence needs a verb. Without a verb, your sentence feels broken. For example, my brother tall. That's not correct. It doesn't sound correct. What is missing? We need the verb to be. We need a verb. My brother is tall. That's correct. Now let's do a quick challenge. Which word is the verb? The students studied English yesterday. The verb is studied. Now we're not talking about different tenses, past tense, present tense, future tense. We're just talking about verbs in general. Verbs can come in past tense, present tense, or future tense. We will also cover that later in your video. One more. My phone is expensive. The verb is. And here's something important. Some verbs are regular, some are irregular. For example, walk, walked. But go is went. Swim, swam, swum. So regular or irregular verbs. Regular verbs usually follow an ed ending for past tense. Irregular verbs, you just have to learn them. Sorry guys. Again, you will learn more about that later in the series. The verb is what gives life to the sentence. Without it, English stops working. Once you understand verbs, English starts making much more sense. I'll see you tomorrow for video 2.